through this. Oh shit.
Now you know it will come around. I think he'll come around.
He'll come around, right? So overwhelming, bro. Yo, it's so... Sounds nice.
Is that a growl? Stop.
Let's stop.
How the fuck is that a Porsche? Manual.
Oh, manual. Not pretty good.
Yeah, you can see pedals.
Yeah, no pedals.
And roll cage. Fucking hell.
Jeez, this thing's spec'd out.
Bro, you normally just see silver.
Yeah, literally. Jeez. This thing is sick. What would you spec it in? What color?
Oh, fuck. If not this, then I would go for Miami blue, maybe?
Miami blue, right?
Miami blue is very nice.
Or even that GT silver.
The GT's
Oh, it's even got the lift system, right?
Yeah, I'll drop it now.
Okay. Mind if I roll down the window a bit?
Yeah. Okay, so watch your door dropping now, watch it. Watch, let's see if you'll feel.
Oh, you can even feel it.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah. What's GT TRS, guys? Let's go. Let's go. That is crazy, guys. Woo.
It's got back because I know it's
Yeah.
starts.
Oh, there he is.
It's all a scrap. It's all the dead some.
Whoa.
See the dead some.
Whoa, this thing quicks. Like, it feels like it's pushing you from the back. Like, it feels like you're free
This
falling.
car is so good.
It's crazy, eh? Woo. Okay, let's feel it. Jeez, that's talky. That's talky, that's quick. Woo. Awesomeness. And this thing launches at like 7,000 RPM, right? Whoa, this is crazy. Whoa, this is crazy. Woo. Let's go.